Risks of real estate investing. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we go any further, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to build wealth every single week. Now let's get into it. All good things carry with them some degree of risk. The same holds true with real estate investing. Despite the promise of high rewards, you should temper those ambitions with the reality that the risks involved are more often than not just as high as the potential rewards. For this reason, you need to take every possible precaution in order to ensure that you minimize your exposure to risk whenever possible, or at the very least, are prepared financially and mentally to accept the consequences of those risks if the time comes. The most obvious risk when it comes to real estate investing is the immediate risk of losing your investment. This risk can be a huge blow depending on how large your investment was to begin with, but isn't the worst thing that can happen during the course of a real estate investment gone wrong. While I'm certainly not trying to talk you out of real estate investing altogether, it is a good idea to have a realistic view of the risks and the potential rewards. If you're flipping houses, you have the potential to lose a little more if you become injured during the course of your work. The sad truth is that many who are attempting to break into the business of flipping houses have neither adequate insurance coverage, the money, nor the time that a serious injury might require. Another risk common to real estate investing is the fact that stuff happens. Market trends tumble, companies go out of business, leaving towns and the local real estate market in shambles. Accidents happen during the course of the work, natural disasters occur, and buyers change their mindsets and pull out at the last minute. Each of these things can have devastating consequences and are almost always events that are completely beyond your control as a real estate investor. If that wasn't enough, many investors fail to have a proper inspection and find out when it is really too late that there are serious structural problems and all sorts of things wrong with the property. These things cost money to repair and cut into profits, occasionally resulting in a loss. Once you find out something is wrong with the property, you are honor-bound to either reveal the problem to potential buyers or fix the problems before selling the house. In the case of a flip, many major problems will undo the work that has already been done. Do not allow the risks of real estate investing prevent you from taking the plunge. They are spelled out here to remind you that prudence and caution are wise when investing in real estate, not to talk you out of this potentially lucrative field of investing. If you are interested in real estate investing, there's no reason on earth you shouldn't take the time and make the effort to learn more about its potential. Want to learn more about real estate investing? Check out the Rich Dad Summit. It's a 2-day online seminar from Robert Kiyosaki that features the tools and blueprint you need to create passive income for life. For a limited time only, you can get 2 days of training for only $1. Don't miss out. The link is in the description below. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.